In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add BCC field to Outlook emails. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it's a simple way to send an email to multiple people without sharing everyone's addresses. It keeps recipients private, reduces reply all clutter, and looks more professional when you're sending announcements or newsletters. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search page. In the search bar, type Outlook. From the results, click the official Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account to continue so you can access your mail settings. Once Outlook opens, look toward the top left and click File. Then, open Settings. Depending on your version, you may see a gear icon for settings instead. That's fine. The goal is to get into Outlook's Settings panel where you can change how messages are composed. In the Settings area, select Mail on the left side. This is where Outlook groups all message-related preferences. Next, choose Compose and Reply. This section controls the layout and behavior of your new messages. Now look for the option labeled Always Show BCC. Check the box to enable it. This tells Outlook to display the BCC field every time you start a new email, so you won't have to turn it on manually each time. To make the change stick, click Save. Saving ensures the setting applies across future messages on this account. That's it. The next time you compose a message, you'll see the BCC line right under the TO and CC fields. Add any recipients you want to keep private there. A quick etiquette tip. Put your own address in the TO field when sending broad announcements. Then place all recipients in BCC to protect their privacy and avoid accidental reply all chains. If you don't immediately see the BCC option in Settings, use the search bar at the top of the Settings panel and type BCC to jump straight to it. If your layout looks a little different, you might be using a different Outlook interface. The steps are the same in spirit. Open Settings, go to Mail, then Compose and Reply, enable Always Show BCC and save. You can still hide the BCC line on a single message if you don't need it without changing the default you just set. And remember, BCC recipients can read the email, but they won't be visible to others on the thread. You've now configured Outlook to always show the BCC field, making your emails cleaner, more private, and easier to manage.